Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Mitchell Share, and we are on JetBlue Airbus A320, and to prove that this is it, just in case if the flight attendant in the last video said 220, as you can see, this is Nassau County, Long Island. We're right now landing at JFK. You know which terminal, if you're familiar with the airport, where JetBlue is, Terminal 5. Yeah. And this is the screen that this plane uses throughout, even in the first class cabin. Sorry about that blur. Apologize. It's crazy how close we are, and now you can see the Long Island Railroad go fast. Damn. I think this might be around the 5 towns. Comment down below. Yep. This is the 5 towns. Took off from Atlanta. Not bad. This is how far we've came. Yeah, to be honest, folks, I would say that Atlanta is like the major hub for Delta, because there's mostly Delta airplanes. I think, I'm pretty sure that Delta is originally from Atlanta. There's even a Delta museum. Come check it out. It's right by the airport in Atlanta. If you ever go visit, we even show like the most historic planes and the most classical versions. Highly recommend checking it out. As you can see, the sun is setting right now. It's beautiful.
Taxi and ride app pickup areas have recently changed at JFK. Taxis are now located on the ground floor of the T5 parking garage. For ride app pickup, take the air train to the Howard Beach Air Train Station. Be sure to follow the orange floor markers and the in-terminal signage to get where you need to go.
We're not close enough.
This is also like a major airport, New York, JFK. And anyways, I'm gonna pause the video because in the meantime we're getting to our gate, and peace out.